Experience teaches us what we are capable of and how far we can go. It is at the heart of everything we do, learning by doing through hands-on projects, real-world internships, and collaborative discussions. Connecting with industry professionals, learning from mentors, and unlocking opportunities that propel you towards success. ALU nurtures one-of-a-kind leaders who ignite change and create impact in their fields and communities. Experience the power of ALU and shape a better future. African Leadership University, reimagining education for Africa and beyond.